Hi, my name is Susan Namiremu. I'm the CEO and founder at Mtindo. We are a social enterprise that is located in northern Uganda, in Gulu, that is creating economic opportunities for unemployed youth. When I first came to Gulu as part of my university studies, I studied tailoring, and walking around the main market, I saw there was a lot of opportunity in the market for locally made apparel. So for the whole of university, I did tailoring as a side business. I started doing it from my year one, and I did it all the way towards graduation. And ultimately, I made the decision to set up in Gulu. I started a business, invited about 5 girls to work with me. Fast forward in 2019, I launched a crowdfunding campaign to now start the academy, because what the biggest problem was for the girls that I was recruiting from other institutions is that they were not really prepared for formal employment. Some of them had the skills and the talent, but when it came to teamwork, when it came to how they were able to serve the clients or how they were able to deliver on quality, a lot of this was not very good. I found out about the NSSFI Innovator program through a friend. She forwarded me a link and she thought, oh, this would be a good fit. So the first year I went through the curriculum, I did all the assignments, but halfway through I got shy and I did not apply to move forward. But then the following year, someone followed up and said, we saw you started to do the curriculum. Would you care to now submit and be part of this program in 2022? So I did all the things they asked me to do. I forwarded all the business papers and the paperwork and made sure that I was actually ready for the program. It has really prepared me to be in that place where now I can actually confidently start to look for that next person that is looking to invest in a business like Mtindo. We received 20,000 USD from the NSSFI Innovator program, and what we used that finance for was we increased our production capacity in the tailoring factory by adding more machinery, but also recruiting more of the graduates that came out through our academy that year. And then we also introduced a new line of products, which is our Mtindo uniforms line for B2B clients.
We rely on Mtindo for 2 reasons. One is the consistency in the quality, and we're always sure in consistency in the pricing. So we're always sure that the price is going to remain within levels that as Elephanta we are comfortable with. But also secondly, we know that whatever we order from them is going to serve the purpose. So when we order uniforms, we know that the uniforms are going to remain available, they're not going to break down or anything.
The skill that I got from Mtindo, they are the one that inspired me to start my own business. When I went to Mtindo, I realized that tailoring is the best thing that I can do in my life. I want to appreciate Susan Namiremu. She's the one who encouraged me most, and most of the time I always go and share with other things with her. Maybe if I'm stuck somewhere, she always helps me. I appreciate her so much.
We've seen a lot of success. We've been able to hire a sales and marketing team and have been able to create employment in this year of over 25 women, additional staff for our tailoring factory and academy. So the students that go through our program are accredited by a legally accrediting institution, the Directorate of Industrial Training in Uganda. After the assessment, they do receive a certificate. When our students graduate from the academy, we do invite at least 50% to join our tailoring factory.
When I joined here, I knew nothing. I couldn't make anything, but I can now make a dress, I can now make a coat, anything which is just has fashion, I can do it.
Currently, Mtindo has 3 outlets, all based in northern Uganda, that are serving different customers. We are partnering with about 3 other resellers spread across Gulu, Kampala, and a few other source points where we are selling our products. For our B2B line, we have worked with 120 businesses in 2023, and we are hoping in the coming year to double that number. For just this line, we've been able to bring in about 65 million Ugandan shillings with just our B2B business. Before the NSSFI Innovator program, we had about 15 employees within Mtindo. Right now, we have a total of about 40 people that are employed within Mtindo. both among the tailors, the sales personnel, and the support staff. We are about 80% compliant with NSSF and other legal regulations, but part of the reason that we are only 80% compliant is we are working a lot with the informal sector. The biggest challenge we face is a space to accommodate our growth and future plans. As a woman that is watching this, I want to encourage you to be bold. It doesn't matter how small, how big, or education, or these things. I want to encourage you to be bold, to follow your big dreams and pursue them relentlessly. I'm grateful that I had this opportunity with NSSF Innovator. It's been very transformational. I've enjoyed every minute of it, and it has allowed me to dream much, much bigger than I did before joining the NSSF Innovator program. With support from the NSSF Innovator program, I'm transforming Uganda.